three main components of the Java, which is Java Development Kit, which is JDK, Java Runtime Environment, which is JRE, and Java Virtual Machine, which is JVM. So as we have downloaded the JDK, okay, inside of the JDK, we actually have both JRE and the JVM. So let me actually talk about how they're actually structured and what are those components helping us to do in Java. So main thing we have, first thing we have downloaded, it was JDK. So JDK, let's imagine this is our JDK that will have a big box, okay, and we will name this box as a JDK. So this is going to be JDK, and inside of the JDK, we have another component of Java, which is JRE, okay, which is JRE. So inside of the JDK, we have JRE. So this component is located inside of the JDK. And one more component which we have, which is JVM. And JVM is actually located inside of the JRE. So it is inside of the JRE. So this is how these three components actually structured in the Java. So we have JDK, JRE, and JVM. So what they are helping to do, JDK is the huge Java development kit. Okay, and inside of the JDK, we don't have only the JRE. It also has something called Java compiler. Okay, it is one of the tools of the Java that helps to compile the source code into the bytecode. And another thing we have inside of the JDK is Java debugger and Java doc. Okay, so this is three main things that we have, but we have more than this. So this is not only the ones, but this is the main ones that we have inside of the JDK. Java compiler will help us to compile the source code into the bytecode. Java debugger, this is something that we will be learning, and something like Java doc. Then we have also JRE inside of the JDK, but inside of the JRE, we have another things, which is Java libraries, which is a bunch of Java code, okay, that is ready provided, ready Java code that's provided by Java itself. And we have some security files in it as well, okay, and this is the main things, but we have some other things as well in the JRE. But Java libraries and the security files, that will be our main things in our JRE. And inside of the JRE, again, we have JVM, but the main thing about the JVM, it is abstract, okay? What is the abstract? Abstract means the JVM, we know that it is there, but we cannot really see the JVM in our computers, okay? Abstract means it is not visible, it exists, but not visible. So, but what do we have inside of JVM, okay? And we say it's kind of heart of the Java, okay, as you can see, I make it kind of pink color, like color of the heart. It is the heart of the Java, which means without JVM, no code will be running. So this JVM contains something called Java loader, okay? It will load the Java code in it. And then once it will load this Java code, it will take that bytecode that was compiled, it will load it, and then it will simply verify that code, okay? It will code verifier, okay? It will verify the code. So let's say this code loader, and then once it will load that code, it will verify, which means it will make sure that the code doesn't have any errors. Once it will verify that code, it will go ahead and translate that code into the machine code, okay, into the computer code, okay? So, and the translator of this Java, of that JVM, is named as an interpreter, okay, which means a translator of that Java code, So this is main three components. This is their responsibilities. JDK has Java compiler, Java debugger, Java doc. JRE has Java libraries and security files, and JVM has code loader, code verifier, and interpreter. Thank you.